Hi, my name is Jesse Sloan. I'm Director of the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance and the National Advisory Center for Short-Term Care Information. Thanks for watching this presentation, which was specially created for Illinois residents. Our organizations do not sell insurance, so I urge you always to speak with a licensed, approved insurance professional. But if you don't have one, feel free to call us, and we'll do our best to answer your questions and connect you with an insurance professional for your state. So almost every day our phone rings with individuals who are frustrated. They waited too long to apply for long-term care insurance and they can't get it anymore, or they have existing health conditions that make it impossible for them to be accepted. So while I said we don't sell insurance, we do study the marketplace and came across a product that I think is well worth looking at. It's from Kemper, which is an A-rated company. It provides home health care benefits, and as you can see from this slide, it covers a variety of services at a stated dollar amount. This is an indemnity plan, which means it pays you cash even if the services that you're getting are covered by Medicare or other health insurance. The policy also provides for home health care aid benefits, which means that if you need a home health care aid, it will cover $40 a day for up to 60 days. But what really makes this policy kind of unique and I think of real value, especially for consumers who take prescription drugs, is the prescription drug indemnity benefit. Very simply, as I'll explain in a second, if you pay for prescription drugs, this policy will reimburse you up to a set amount that's really something worth considering if your prescription drug bill amounts to several $100s a year. So very simply, here's how it works. You take prescription drugs, the insurance company gets the receipts from you, and they base their reimbursement on the retail price, not even necessarily what you pay. There's a deductible and there's a coinsurance. This varies by state, so please be sure to request and read your state-specific brochure. But very simply, every year, if you file your prescription receipts, you can get money back from this policy. I mentioned added benefits because almost everybody goes for a physical exam, and if you wear glasses and go for a vision exam, or you buy glasses, or if you have a hearing exam and hearing aids, this policy has some added benefits that are definitely worth looking into and adding up what you spend against what the insurance coverage is going to cost you. So these are the very specific rates for Illinois. They are taken right out of the brochure. So you can see for yourself, if you're age 65 to 70 and you buy the home health care with the extra benefits, you're going to pay $59.85 a month. Now you have to deduct from that or factor in deducting what you're going to get back if you submit your prescription drug bills and if you go for a physical exam, vision glasses, and all of that. But here's the one feature that I think really makes this product excel for many people, and that is the application is very, very simple. It simply starts to ask you 5 healthcare questions, and as long as you can answer no to all of the questions, and I urge you, hit pause now and you can read the questions for yourself, you are 90 to 95% on your way to being accepted for this coverage. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. This is a very brief overview, and I urge you to request a copy of the brochure and to read it carefully before you do anything more. Talk to the insurance agent who shared this video with you, or if nobody did, if you just found it yourself and you don't have a short-term care agent that you're working with, call the advisory center at the number listed on the screen. We'll only be too happy to connect you with one in your area. Thanks again for watching.